cheap ingredients and much more positivity. And all the time, my music helped me working and make my routine. Today I'm going to prepare dumpling, Russian dumpling. Russian name is pelmeni. Chinese is dumpling, but for understanding it's a Russian dumpling. I made it a little bit earlier before because everybody has own schedule, and I prepare for my daughter, and I just explain you. First step is I took maybe 2.5 of pound of flours, and I whisk it good, and I made my warm water here, about not almost 2 pound of water. I put 1 big spoon salty, I mix it good, and I prepared my dough here. And my dough is ready. I use, you see, cover it good because dough don't like if some outside a lot of things go through here. And I put it in the place. Okay, next step is today I bought ground beef. I like beef, I said you before. I prepared my ground beef also too. 2 or 3 pounds of ground beef, a little bit salty, a little bit black pepper. If you like any kind of seasoning, Italian or something, you can use here. But my family and me usually in dumpling like just 2 ingredients, salty and a little bit salt and black pepper. And I grabbed 1 big onion and put everything together and mixed good very well. My ground beef is ready to cook. Next step is I am going to make pause and I will show you how I prepared my Russian dumpling is here. But all the time my Cesaria music here help me for more positivity, more creativity, and I enjoy when I cooking and I spend time with you guys. Couple of seconds. Okay, let's go home and we will continue preparing our dumpling. I will show my table and it's enough for understanding what's going on. And Cesaria, hoppa! I'm so happy when I cooking and I spend time with somebody else. When I prepared my dough, big size of dough, I cut it for 4 or 6 pieces. It depends how do you like. Usually I roll big. I have my own roll. I bring it from my country, and you can use smaller one. And I prepared my dough here, medium size, and I need to take it away. I need to put a little bit flour for my work table, and it is 1 big cup for making dumpling. Then it's a little bit later. I use regular flour, and that's it. I start roll my pieces. Some people don't like cooking with dough. Oh my God, it's too hard to cook. It's need to spend a lot of time. No, guys, no, don't scare. You know what? If you have good music, if you have good inspiration, why not? Because your family is waiting for your good meal. Everybody like good milk, good meal. Oh, my English. I try every day. I try to improve my English, but not all the time. I'm happy because of my English. Still not good, but anyway, my positivity is good. You see how it's easy to roll? 1, 2, 3 times. Every nationals has own recipes, own dough. I'm living here not long time, and I understand sometimes I haven't time for prepared my dishes, traditional, like prepared my mom at my home. And I make my own easy recipes. You see, not too big, medium roll, enough. Like I said before, one big couple, and I try to make small pieces of small pieces of roll. You see how too easy it's prepared. 1, 2, 3, it's ready. 1, 2, 3, it's ready. Some people like small sizes, it's beautiful. Some people like medium. My family like a lot of a lot of meat, because if I make big roll, I can put inside a lot of meat. That reason I try to make bigger size. You will see how easy to prepare. Everything is here. Sometimes when I have time, like today, and nobody knocked door, and nobody didn't bother me, I am dancing a little bit because I have my own inspiration. I am singing, I'm thinking, I like music, lyrics, everything like this. I have two kids, yeah. They are finished college almost, and sometimes kids, if they thinking that my life or their life is boring, they try to prank me. And yesterday, it was late night. In that time, I like read something, some interesting book, or watch TV, and make something for myself. I will say you remember, never ever I didn't put anything in the garbage. It's next step. Okay. Then they prank me. Before I will tell you how prank, which one prank was yesterday, I will continue prepare my dumpling is. My ground beef with 1 onion, grape onion, salt and black pepper is ready. If you want again, you can put inside any kind of sauce or something. It's your taste. It's your taste. You know how you prepare all the time. But in general, I made like this. Okay. Then I prepared small spoon, and I need to put a big piece of meat inside my rolls and make like this. I need to cover my dough so good. I prepared stuff for putting every my dumpling is here. When I boiling in the water, if I didn't fix it good, my dough, whole meat was inside of water. It is not right, it's not correct. That reason you need to cover good. It's too much, right? Yes. Sometimes my daughter can help me, but not today. I prepared for her. She was happy. She liked dumpling, and she said, "Mom, I need to go and prepare my homework for tomorrow, because yesterday she hasn't time for preparing homework." You see how easy to prepare my Russian dumpling is. Like this. And I will show next step. Okay, my dumpling is ready. I put my water. Before I boiled water, I will show you what I usually use a lot of small pieces of dough after my preparing dumpling. I made together. I mix it and I try to make small roll of bread. You see? Sometime in the store you can buy it for $2-3. Oh, again, guys, I will say you how much I spent today for my dumpling, and I'll feed my four people in my home. 2.5 pound of ground beef. It's like $12. Salt, a little bit black pepper, and 20 cents of one big one onion, and maybe 2.5 pound of flour. You see, and okay, $13. $13 you can feed your whole family, and my kids grow up. You know what? My son is 33, my daughter is 23, and they are like good meal, and they not a kid small. And for today, for my dinner, I spent just $13, maybe even less, and I prepared my tortillas. You see, small pieces. Again, my water is not ready. It's pieces I mix together. After my first preparation dumpling, I told you today I start a little bit later. Again, I mix it all my pieces, small pieces, and I can prepare small roll of bread. You see, and I can prepare my roll on the pan. If you like it, you can use vegetable oil. Sometimes I didn't use any kind of oil, just I used hot pan. After that, I used this pieces for you know what, sometimes I can put in salato, tuna salata, and cover my roll like this. It is good lunch. Maybe next time I will show how I prepare my tuna salad, and I made it, roll it inside this my dough roll. And don't forget, my recipe cheap, my recipe easy to cook, my recipe is can feed whole your family with good stuff. You know what? Cheapest is not mean no good meal. Cheapest, it is economically good for family. Even right now, everybody struggle, no a lot of job, everybody has limited money. I know a lot of rich people, but in general, people struggle, no money, no healthy, everybody is try to find way. It is our way. Okay, I am going to make my next step. I will put my phone is here, and I'll show you next my step. Okay, got it. My water is boiled. I put almost 1 spoon of not big tablespoon of salt in the water. I put one lava list inside my water. I don't wanna put again, it's too much. And when it starts boil, I try to carefully put my dumpling inside boiled water. Okay, you see? Carefully. It's done. Then immediately I need to mix it because I don't want that all my dumplings, you know what, make like a mess. Before my water is boiling again, I cover it, and I'm waiting for boiling water again. And all the time I need to mix a little bit. I said you reason, a little bit, bottom of my pot, and I need to wait. You see? Okay, I will show you next step. Okay, guys, my water is boiled. I made my heat a little bit lower, but my dumpling in the water continue to boil. And I have my music, and I have my Latino music. I like it, Latino music. It's spicy, it's hot, it's too sexy sometimes. I am a senior, but anytime I like spicy music. And be careful, don't be close to your kid. And all the time you need to watch your dumpling, how it's prepared. Okay, when your dumpling start go up, couple minutes or minutes and a half, my eyes is understand it's almost done. If you want, you can use one dumpling and you can eat and look, oh, it's good or not. But sometimes it's 1 minute, 1.5 minutes after boiling. That's it. My dumpling is almost ready. If you want, I will test it. I will test it. I need to know how salty it is, how tasty is or not tasty. Okay, guys, smell delicious. Smell incredibly delicious. Oh my God, I am diet. I can't eat today, but I need to check it. Guys, turn off. It's ready to eat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, unbelievable tasty. And I say you before, my family like big dumpling. Big dumpling because everybody likes meat. And I cover it. I need to serve it beautifully. What it means? Okay. A little bit. Where is my knife? A little bit. Need to put oil for rich taste. Don't scare. If you will be more, it is good. Then I need to put sour cream. Today I haven't sour cream. I have organic probiotic, organic plain yogurt. It is good also. You see? You see? That's it. And my family like pepper. I like black pepper too. All the time I use. Guys, beautiful. And like all the time, my cilantro is here. My cilantro gave me a rich taste. Beautiful, almost done, you see? Oh my goodness. Guys, oh my God. You know what, my family love me a lot. Because anytime, any kind of food with my energy, with my love, with my good positivity. And I am so happy and I'm so grateful that I spend time with somebody who watching my video. Guys, I love you. Give me a hug. Mwah. Be safe.